loves! Welcome back for another unboxing episode. It's been a while since I did an unboxing video, but today's video is very special because I'm going to unbox one of my dream bag. Interesting story on how to get a Birkin bag, and I kind of hesitant to do this because I don't want to think people that I'm showing it off or bragging about it, but I want to share with you guys my experience on how to score a Birkin or Kylie bag in Hermès store here in the Philippines. But before that, if you're new here, I'm a fashion stylist, designer, and entrepreneur, and if we share the same interests, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. If you're already my subscriber, thank you so much for the love and support. And also, please follow me on my Instagram account at Sibulo, which is my personal account, and JennyKing's_closet, where I'm selling all my pre-loved luxury items or even my brand new items. Okay, before I unbox this, I'm going to share first my experience on how I score this baby. Before, I'm not into Hermès, or I'm not a kind of Hermès brand girl because I know it's very pricey. But when I check the store, I love the quality, the craftsmanship, and their exclusivity. Like, it's so hard to get a Birkin or Kylie bag. Okay, let's go back to my story. Last year, I think it's March, yes, before lockdown, we went to the store with my friends. We just want to check if there's new arrival or what's available inside. Then we chat with an SA. She assisted us and all that. Actually, on that time, I'm not sure if I'm gonna buy something or what, but Biola, we bought a lot as in. So that's the start, my love for Hermès. I remember, I think I got an Oran printed slipper, one Oran in ostrich leather and home pieces, and some of them I didn't open yet, so I think I'm going to do an unboxing Hermès whole video on that, so watch for it. And I heard if you want to get an offer to get a Birkin or Kylie bag, you need to build a relationship with an SA. So I did. Like, I always visit the store and bought some from small leather goods, home pieces, accessories, and bags like Lindy, Evelyn TPM, and Picotin. I don't know if my pronunciation is correct, so yeah, bear with me, guys. Okay, to make this story short, I think last November 28, I went to the store and get my reserve items, and I talked to my SA that when can I get an offer for my desired bag, and she asked me if I'm serious to get a bag, and I said yes, yeah, I really want to get a bag. And she asked me, what bag do you want? And I told her in particular that I want to get a Birkin 25 or Kylie 25 or Constance 18, but I really want to get first a Birkin 25, Birkin in size 25, color black, toggle leather, and in gold hardware. So yeah, that's it. I said it in very particular details. And she said, okay, I'm going to talk to my manager, but here's the catch. If she asked me again if I really want that bag, I need to spend. It means I need to spend another 1,000 on top of the Birkin bag. And when I think about it, I said, yes, I'm willing to spend, because I checked their seller price for the Birkin. Right now, it costs 950,000 to 1 million pesos plus, especially depends on the color, especially the classic color like the black, taupe, tan, or gold. That's the price one and really hard to get bag. Actually, all the Birkin and Kelly bag, it's really hard to get. So it's not about the color actually, but the bag talaga, it's really hard to get, diba? Okay, let's go back to my story. It's been after 5 days that I asked my SA regarding my my bag. She's been calling me in the morning and I didn't bother to answer because at that time I'm busy with my errands, so I didn't bother to check my phone. And she's been calling the whole afternoon, like as in been calling me, and then I didn't bother to check on it. And then in the evening, that's the time I checked my phone. I saw the text of my SA that I really need to go to the store immediately. And my reaction, why? So I think but I feel that it's regarding with my bag. Then I called her and asked what does that mean, and she said, "Mom, get ready to spend." And my reaction, what? Is it true? Did I really get the bag? Like, it is the Birkin 25, color black, toggle leather, or in gold hardware. So you know, I'm so excited. So I asked her talaga if it's my desired bag that I get and all that. So yeah, I'm super excited. And then she just said lang na you really need to go to the store immediately. And yun, sa sobrang excited ko talaga, parang, oh my gosh, is it true ba talaga? So parang, alam mo yun, nanginginig talaga yung kamay ko and everything. I can't explain how I feel. I can't imagine kung totoo ba talaga. Is it real na I got that bag? As in talaga. And then, ang sabi lang ng SA sa akin, she said that I really need to go to the store immediately. So, yun lang. As in, she did not confirm if it's my desired bag. So, all that she said is like, go to the store immediately. And I went to the store the next morning. So, without further ado, let's unbox this. Okay, as all you can see, this is the bag. Oh my gosh. You know, my first reaction when I opened this, it's like, as in talagang nanginginig ako. I have video na unboxing actual in this Hermès store. So, I will put the next video here so you can see my initial reaction. Actually, yeah, initial reaction, first reaction when I hold this baby. Oh my gosh. Super. I can't. I mean, until now, I can't believe pa rin that I already had this baby. Like in my arms. Sobra. I love this. Okay, let's open this. So, okay, let's open this. So actually, yeah, I already unboxed this in the store, but I'm going to unbox this again for you guys. So let's open this. Okay. Okay, let's put it here first. So yeah, this one. Oh my god, you know the feeling until now, it's the same pa rin every time na I will open this baby and I will hold this baby. So yeah, okay, first this is the pillow, the care booklet, the raincoat. This is the booklet actually. This is the care booklet. So yeah, that one. And this is the lock. So yeah, that's it. So let's put it here first. Okay, let's open this. baby. Are you excited? So as you can see, it has a dust bag. I love the dust bag. I love their dust bag. It is canvas and I smell the leather. Okay, are you ready, guys? Are you ready? Are you ready, guys? Okay, let's dun. Okay, here, can you guess what bag I got? Yes, are you ready, guys? Okay, here is my baby. Look at that. Okay, before that, I said before that I want the Birkin 25, which is this one, in toggle leather, color black. Yes, it's true. But I said I want the gold hardware. But look at that. This is a rose gold hardware, which is hard to get. So I'm super duper shocked talaga when I heard, Mom, it is in rose gold hardware, which is hard to get. So oh my god. So I'm really happy, even though it is not a gold hardware, but in rose gold hardware. Look at that baby. See? It's super duper cute, right? So this is the back. Oh my god. Naluluha pa rin ako. I think I'm gonna cry. So anyways, so yeah. You know, I can't believe it. I got this already. Oh my gosh. So, okay. And this is the lock. So yeah. So here. So yeah, this is in rose gold hardware. So yeah, super cute. Oh my gosh. Yeah, okay, let's open this. So yes, I like the black color because this is classic, timeless, and super elegant. It's like I can wear this from day to night, and I can pair this with anything. You know naman, guys, I love color black. So that's one of my favorite color, one of my fave color aside from pink. So yeah, so let's take this out. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what's inside. So here, first bottle. So this is the inside of this bag. Super spacious, even though this is small. There's two pockets, one with a zipper and one without. So yeah, and look at that. This is super cute. The gold, the rose gold. Look, diba? Super nice. Oh, by the way, I forgot to put the lock and key, so I will put it here. So let's see, like that. Almost forgot to put this. So yeah, like this. Ah, so cute, right? This one. So cute. So there you have it, guys. My Birkin size 25 toggle leather and rose gold hardware. There she is, so beautiful. And I already got a twirly for this baby. So let me show you what I got. Let's open this. Then this one, look at that. So pretty, right? So I choose this color because of the rose gold hardware. So let me open this other one. So I got it on there. So yeah, this one. What I love about this 3D is with this print also in the end. So yeah, I'm gonna put it here, both of them. So yeah, right? So pretty. So I'm gonna put it here like this. So yeah, something like this. I'm gonna wrap this on, baby. So yeah, it's like that. The color was so pretty, perfect for the color black and for the rose gold hardware. There you have it. So pretty. Okay, aside from Twilly, I also got her talaga. I also got a bag organizer. So I ordered this from Bag Pop. And one of my friends told me if I'm going to order a bag organizer, I need to reduce 1/2 inch so that the leather won't scratch or something. So I did. So wala namang mawawala if sundin ko yun, diba? So I got this pink organizer. So this is what it looks like. So yeah, I like the color pink. I like the color combination of black and pink because look at that. So yung color niya inside is so beautiful, right? And I do love putting bag organizer so that the bag won't deform. So yeah, it's nice. Okay, now naman I'm going to share with you guys the actual unboxing video on the time I got this baby in the Hermes store. So watch it. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on my channel. And if you have any suggestion, please don't forget to comment below. We'll see you again, guys. Bye! Finally, I was able to film this. This is super long overdue already. So finally, I hope you guys like this video.